Before our Lord, together here we stand, before these witnesses, uniting hearts and hands. We ask your blessing, Lord, who caused our love to spring, to God who nurtured it, our praises bring. For I have left my mother, I have left my father's home, forsaking all I come to cling to you alone. Unless the Lord has built the lover's home, the lovers strive in vain to build